In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through how to remove some of the most common mistakes when trading your meme coins, as well as how to optimize for the best possible opportunities. Let's dive in. So starting with removing mistakes, I think one of the easiest ones is to ignore devs who have shipped multiple tokens and have kind of proven that they're really just out there trying to scam people. So cool thing through Nova is any of these tokens that are populating, you can go ahead, you can hover over it here, and there's this little toggle that says Blacklist Dev. And if you click that, that developer has been added to the blacklist. So no other token that they create using that wallet will populate on your screen ever again. Okay, so a second common mistake I see is that when a token gets launched and it just blasts off, it hits like a crazy market cap of a couple $100,000 like instantly. You'll see people launch copycats. So taking the same art, same socials, everything, and recreating it, hoping to get folks who want to buy it, right? And then immediately dump, immediately sell. Very few of those ever sustain. But what's cool about NovaTrade is if you hover over the image art here, for any of these tokens, you'll see similar tokens. So like this McPingu is a copycat of a token that was launched 12 days ago, which is a copycat of another token that was launched 3 months ago, right? So if you're seeing something like that, avoid it. Avoid it. Okay, next, I want to talk about how to optimize for good opportunities. I think this Ignite page has a ton of potential. So again, there's an algorithm underneath all of it, surfacing, scouring through the millions of different tokens that are created to show you the ones that have good potential. Doesn't mean they're going to be a winner, but they have good potential. And it keeps your view super clear. What's interesting is it has this feature where it shows if you would have bought one SOL when it was initially pinged, how much you would be up. And then there's a bunch of other really good information here. So not only can you see the liquidity and the volume, you can see how many of the top 10 holders, how much of the supply that they own, how many snipers got into the token, how many insiders, so people who bought the token like suspiciously fast, and then bundles. So if there's a bunch of wallets that all land on the same block, purchasing the token, you get flagged for that as well. And then you can also see if the DEX has been paid, which again is like a really good signal if a token is, going to survive longer than 5 minutes. Down here underneath, you can see the total number of holders, again, how many regular traders, and then the total fees that have been paid to trade the token. And then finally, if you have tracked wallets, you can again see if those tracked wallets have purchased into this token here. So this column here, these are brand new, newly created tokens pulled from a ton of different launch pads. Here in the middle, these are tokens that are about to graduate, nearly hitting the threshold to go ahead and hit the graduated state and hit bonding. And then here on the right are bonded tokens. If we click through to Ignite, this is similar to the Cosmo page where you kind of have this scrolling feed on the left on early tokens. Difference being is that there's an algorithm in the background that Nova has built that will trigger alerts, like audible, like pings that you hear in your headset or through your speakers, when the token kind of hits like this special mix of variables. And you'll see them move from early to surging here on the right, where there's like tokens that are in particular like going far and above better than kind of like some of the others that are out right now. Now you also have a wallet tracker, so you can drop in wallets from KOLs or influencers or whoever. Not only be able to see here when they buy or when they sell, but you can also snap it to the trading screens of Cosmo or Ignite. So you're able to like trade in or trade out while you're monitoring what the larger community is doing. You also have a monitor here. So they've partnered with Potion and a bunch of other communities to pull some of the hottest calls and triggers from their Discord or Telegram communities into the NovaTrade platform. So right now I've added Potion, Champs Only, and Pump Fund Trenches. So as they go ahead and they drop alerts, it's getting pumped here for me to be alerted of. And there's also True Social, so if you wanted to track anything across that, you're getting that as well. Okay, you got your holdings. It's going to show things that you've bought, your overall P&L, and then earnings. So as you share your referral code, you earn from those people who enter in and trade after you, as well as you can earn back a percentage of the fees that you pay to trade by using Nova. If you want to try Nova Trade, my link is down in the description. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to hit me up, and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace!